Hi, I'm Belinda Sawyer with REMAX Capital Properties. Welcome to 2304 Pack Saddle Road in the Sweetgrass subdivision. This exquisite Hardman floor plan is built by Greg Williams with Icon Builders. The home sits on a cornered lot. It is the only fully furnished home, including the walkout basement for new construction at this price. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a beautiful deck out the back. I absolutely love the unique detail that Icon Builder incorporates in their design, including hickory hardwood floors, remarkable wood countertops and backsplash in the kitchen, and gold hardware that keeps up with the modern trends. The master bathroom is a homeowner's dream. Once again, the attention to detail with the fabulous tile and gold accents. Don't miss out on a fabulous home at a fabulous price. Remember, when you're looking for a home that combines elegance, comfort, and top-notch quality, think Icon Builders. I'm your go-to agent for finding your dream home. For more information or to schedule a viewing, feel free to contact me at 307-631-5434. Let's turn your housing dreams into a reality.